How are you, Lassie? I'm fine. How was the day? It was good. Ngaho ikaze ku muyoboro wa YouTube channel witwa Language Booster TV. Ku isomo rya none tujye kureba ikiganiro wagirana na mugenzi wawe. Uraza kwigiramo uburyo bwo gusubiza ibibazo bitandukanye mu kiganiro uri kujyana na mugenzi wawe ndetse no kubibaza. Kandi turaza kwigiramo amagambo y'ingenzi n'uburyo bw'ingenzi wakoresha uganira na bagenzi bawe. Nguhaye ikaze rero ku isomo rya none. Ndatekereza ko wamaze gukora subscribe. Niba wamaze kuyikora ndagushimiye, kandi niba utarabikora bikore none. Urazabona amasomo atandukanye akwigisha icyongereza. Hello dear viewer and welcome to Language Booster TV. I am your teacher Eric Unani. Welcome to today's lesson, English based conversation. So in this video we learn how to converse, how to have a dialogue with your colleague, with your friends. You will learn English basic expression you will use in your conversation with your colleagues and your friends. You will learn also different questions you can ask your friends and best way of asking them and how to answer them correctly. So I welcome you to today's lesson, and I hope you have subscribed. If you have not done it, just do it. You will get different videos, learning videos, which helps you to learn English and Kinyarwanda. I do also encourage you to visit our post by just clicking the logo picture of this channel. After you will click on post tab. You will see where it is written post. Then click on it. You will access to different tests and exams, which helps you to learn just by examining, by testing your English. You will learn vocabulary. You will learn language structures. After doing the question, you will get the explanation of the correct answer and the reason. Ngaho ikaze ku muyoboro wa YouTube channel witwa Language Booster TV. Ku isomo rya none tujye kureba ikiganiro wagirana na mugenzi wawe. Uraza kwigiramo uburyo bwo gusubiza ibibazo bitandukanye mu kiganiro uri kujyana na mugenzi wawe ndetse no kubibaza. Kandi turaza kwigiramo amagambo y'ingenzi n'uburyo bw'ingenzi wakoresha uganira na bagenzi bawe. Nguhaye ikaze rero ku isomo rya none. Ndatekereza ko wamaze gukora subscribe. Niba wamaze kuyikora ndagushimiye, kandi niba utarabikora bikore none. Urazabona amasomo atandukanye akwigisha icyongereza. Kandi ndakurarikira gusura urubuga rwacu rwa YouTube Language Booster TV, ukanda kuri ino foto iranga iyi channel yacu. Hanyuma kandi numara kuyikandaho uraza kugera handitse post. Ukanda handitse post urahasanga ibizamini bitandukanye bigufasha kwihugura mu rurimi rw'icyongereza. Urisuzuma ariko unihugure, kuko numara gukora ikibazo hanyuma uraza kuhasanga hasi munsi y'icyo kibazo urahasanga ibisobanuro by'igisubizo cy'ukuri n'impamvu aricyo gikwiriye. So nguhaye ikaze rero mu isomo rya none. Tutagiye kure, reka dutangire. Let us start with English basic conversation. So we have two people. We have boy and girl. We male and female. They have a discussion. So let's start. One is called Lassie, another one, the female is called Lassie, and the male is called Joe. So dufite abantu babiri, umuhungu yitwa Joe, umukobwa yitwa Lucy. Let us start the discussion. Reka dutangire ikiganiro. How are you, Lassie? I'm fine. How was the day? It was good. And you too? Yes, likewise. Are you free tonight? Why do you ask me that? Do you mind watching a movie together? At what time? At 7 o'clock. I would like to have supper to get together too. Okay, don't mind. I will come on time. What would you like to eat? I would like to eat fish with bread. Okay, no matter at all. Let me go home. I'm going to wash my clothes. See you again. See you soon. Bye bye. So in this discussion, we have seen that there are different expressions you can use in your discussion. For example, when you want to let us try to learn something from this. You want to greet someone, you say, "How are you?" And the answer is, "I'm fine." So you can ask someone, "How was the day?" to know how is the day, how is she, how is he. So the answer of how was the day is it was good, or it was bad. If the day was bad, it was good. And when you ask to ask when you want to know the day, how was the day for the one who has asked you, you can use the word too, and you too. So the answer, if this is the same as the one asked you, you can use likewise. Likewise means and me too. And me too. Instead of saying I mean and me too, you can use the word likewise. So you can ask someone if he is free or if she is free, if she has no job, is no occupation. Uh, are you free tonight? Are you free this night? It's similar to say are you free this night? So you can ask, why do you ask me that? Why do you know? Why do you want to know if I am free tonight? So Joe says, do you mind watching movie together? Why do you use the word mind to mean that it is similar to can you watch movie together? Is there any problem if we watch a movie together? So you can use the word mind, and mind can be followed by verb with ing form, or what we call gerund. Mind watching, mind eating, mind whatever. When you want to know the time, you can ask at what time? At what time? So at 7 o'clock. I would like to have supper together too. Supper, the evening meal. Evening meal is called supper. Yes. Okay, I don't mind. When you say I don't mind, you mean that there's no problem. No problem. I don't mind. I will come on time. What kind of food would you like to eat? I forgot the day or something. What kind of food would you like to eat? You want to know someone what she or he likes. What kind of food would you like to eat? I would like to eat fish with bread. I would like. This word, this expression, I would like to followed by infinitive is a good expression to show your desire, your wishes, your suggestion. I would like to eat. I would like to do that, this and this. You try to do to instead of saying I want to eat, use I would like to. I would like to eat fish. Great. Okay, no matter. When you say no matter, it is also there's no problem. No matter. There's no problem. Let me go home. I'm going to wash my clothes. See you again. See you again is a word you can use to farewell your friend, to say bye bye to your friend. See you soon is another expression you can use to say bye bye. So bye bye. So thank you, dear viewer. Have you studied anything from this? Have you learned anything from this conversation? Try to practice what you have learned. Subscribe to Language Booster TV. Share this video. Like this video and comment about this video or other videos that have been uploaded. You can also ask for clarification. You can also suggest the reason we should upload next time. Thank you very much. I love you too much. See you again.